Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Go to the official IRS website by opening your browser and typing in irs.gov. This is the only site you should trust for accurate refund information. Step 2. Look for the Where's My Refund tool on the homepage. You'll see it prominently displayed in the Tools section. Click on that button to access the refund tracker. Step 3. Enter your Social Security number, filing status, and the exact refund amount from your tax return. Make sure these details match what you filed, or the system won't recognize your return. Step 4. Wait for the results to load. The page will show you the current status of your refund, whether it's being processed, approved, or already sent. Step 5. Check back regularly if your refund shows as pending. The IRS typically processes refunds within 21 days, but checking weekly helps you stay updated. If there's an issue, the system will tell you to contact the IRS directly with your information.